Today I am giddy because I'm preparing to go camping in the woods with my overlanding vehicle. I have my rooftop tent packed, beef jerky ready, and wait a second. I need to make sure my tires are ready too. Shops need to be ready for customers to come in and ask questions about the best tire options for overlanding. But are you prepared to help them get off the road so that they have the best tire for their overlanding adventures? Find out next. Customers who plan to go overlanding, which often involves using their four-wheel drive vehicles like Jeeps, Toyota Tundras, and Ford Broncos to travel to remote destinations, need tires that are durable, tough, versatile, and have the ability to carry a heavy load. When talking to these customers, the first thing you should understand is these vehicles are not meant for traditional off-roading. Instead, overlanding customers value exploration, long-distance travel, and long trips into remote areas. Traditional off-roaders may ask for tires that are more off-roading specific, which often focuses on specific obstacles or trails. However, overlanders often use their vehicle for camping and traveling to a remote area, while still driving to work during the week. That means that highways, trails, mud, and sand are all in play for overlanders. With that being said, understand that overlanding requires tires that can handle a mix of on- and off-road conditions. It's important for you to understand overlanding customers' needs and expectations for their tires. Ask these customers the right questions, like how much off-roading they plan on doing, the terrain they often encounter, and whether they value performance or comfort more. It's also important that these customers know about the key features and benefits of different tire segments and options. When you explain the aspects like the design of the tread, strength of the sidewall, off-road capabilities, and tread life, you can help customers make a decision on the tire that's perfect for them and their overlanding needs. Don't forget about the features of tires in the off-roading segment, including self-cleaning tread patterns, for example. The value of the tires in question may also be an important factor for your customers. However, don't make the mistake of misplacing value as recommending a tire that will be cheaper for the customer. If you explain the value of something at a higher price point, customers will be more open to spending more money if they get preferences important to them from it. One way you can do this is by explaining the importance of regular tire maintenance, like proper inflation, regular rotations, and alignments. The overlanding trend is only going to grow, giving you the opportunity to serve customers that value both performance and durability. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.